Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true.
Yeah, we call it the quick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, quick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Bank on the move. Bank on the move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
So we bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank,
Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I fell for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. But confidence to look in my eyes. And tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And the power of a woman with a brilliant mind. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen.
Shows for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Oh, yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yo. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah.
We don't do it for financial advice, pussy. It's entertainment.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Raise hands up when
Look at the dump. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang. TV.
most entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the
Keep on the strong stop losses at orb.
on the internet.
I said, my first day here. How often do you hit like this, Max? Every flipping day. Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy Big Daddy Max, and I'm live with the one and only Lama Red Pajama, Mr. Sober Pay to Play. And today is April 16th, and then we are about to be live 9:29 in the morning. Lama, talk to me. How large are you feeling today?
How large?
Large.
Large. I'm feeling large. Currently in profit, guys. Go break even if you're in that joint.
Currently in
Let's see if we get
profit?
continuations. I want to see us go to 490.
490 up?
So yeah, 490 up. We're
Shutting going up,
106 in profit. right now.
down. Get ready, chat, because the
Fully break
market
even. Let's
is
see if we explode.
about to explode.
Come on. That's a partial there at 454 fib level. And see what happens here. ES has really got to play catch up. I think he's way more strong. Bang, right off the
You
fib
gotta wait.
level.
You gotta wait. You gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta
All the way
wait.
back down. Pulled out break even. Good partial.
That is what I like to call dumper. Dumper. And is it worth jumping on that kind of a
We have
dumpy?
another divergence. It might be worth jumping on, bro. Now ES was weak and now it's not even taking lows, and NQ just fucking melted, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, that's it broke structure. I think I might try to. If it breaks structure and holds below 32 here, I'm gonna try and
After the
scalp.
print through.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and see what happens, Lama. It might be worth.
After the print through, bro. We have a crazy divergence right now. What the fuck?
Might be worth. Let's see if this short. If SPX breaks the low on this candle, yeah, it might be worth shorting here. There you go.
I'm gonna
Might
have
be
to
worth
flip
it.
my shit if it does this. This is what I was talking about in the pre. If it breaks this, we gotta flip.
Yeah, I like the
I have
short
no
here.
targets down there.
I
ES
like
is still weak though. How's SPX looks? Because ES is weak. Like
dumping.
it's not even taking lows or anything.
It's just dumping. Here,
SPX?
there's some fighting. Yeah, SPX is it dumped.
ES is not moving.
about 8 points already. That's
Very
pretty
weird.
bearish. There goes the
Very
short. There it
weird.
goes. There it goes. There it goes. You know, Daddy's trimming it. You know, Daddy's in a
Let's
little
see
bit of
if this
that.
breaks.
You know, Daddy's in a little bit of that. Stop at break even on that 32. There we go. There we go. There we go. Cruising in profit now.
All right, there's
Oh,
a
yeah.
break. Hold on. Let's see the
Cruising in profit on the
reverse.
short.
Reverse.
Cruising in profit
Ooh.
on the short. Stop move down to 82. Stop move down to 82.
Does it print through is my question. There's a print through. It needs
And
to
I'm
hold under
stopped.
80
I'm
for me to
stopped.
take anything.
I am stopped out right there. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Gotta hold under 80 for me to get bearish, but yes,
I got
it's
stopped
not
out, and I'm gonna
strong.
get right back in, baby. I'm gonna get right back in that motherfucker. If it breaks low, I'm getting back right in that motherfucker, Llama. If it breaks low, Llama, I'm getting right back in that motherfucker. Because SPX.
Gotta hold under 80, but hold on. I want to see. We have 30 more seconds. Let's see what this next 30 is looking like.
I want to target an MVG below at 340. If it could staircase down, I want to target an MVG below, Llama-san. It has to get above 82 to like 85 to be 88 to be bullish again.
Not holding under 80. Yes, it's still strong. This might just want to make that move to 490
Might
after
rip.
the squeeze
This
like
might
that.
rip, baby. See what happens here.
The squeeze right there.
Nice pop up. Nice.
We
pop
go to
up.
at least 410. 410 is the next area.
What up, YouTube? What up, YouTube?
Probably makes a move to 410.
YouTube.
410 is the next area of interest for me to see if it falls back.
YouTube.
Play the waiting game. I don't know what I did to my finger, but I definitely got a bruise here. What the fuck did I do?
You got a bruise on your finger?
All right, there's 400. See if it goes to 410 real quick. 410 is going to be our area. If it breaks 410, it goes all the way up. You gotta wait back to my mission. I really don't like this shit flipped. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't think it goes down like that. Giving it back up. I'm really
just
not going for it. Really not
chilling right now.
this.
What's the vibe? What's the vibe? You know what I mean? Like, what's the actual vibes here? That's what one thing we need to think about first. What are we trying to vibe for? You know what I'm saying? What are we vibe trading?
Right. Yes, it's strong.
Because I'll tell you right now, my daughter had me up at 5:15 this morning, and I don't feel like fucking doing anything. I don't feel like doing a fucking
5:15?
thing. 5:15. Well, I put her little ass down at 6:15 because she didn't take a fucking nap yesterday. So I have been up for like 4 hours already. That's criminal. Fucking criminal.
Is that the move, bro? Like a lot of people put their kids to sleep like at 6, 7 p.m. Are they supposed to sleep 12
we put
hours?
Ricky down at 7 p.m. every night for almost a year now. We just, bro, schedule. It doesn't matter what time you put that baby down. Have that baby on a fucking schedule and don't break. Fuck the entire world over that baby schedule. I don't care about nothing. Like if you tell me 6:30 is around the clock and I'm 3 hours away from home, watch how fast I get home in 15 minutes to bathe that baby and and start nighttime routine. I'll be home in 15 minutes to bathe that baby.
Right. No, we have her on a schedule, but it's not making sense to me. I'm like, bro, if we put her to sleep at 7 and she sleeps 8 hours, she's still waking up like
everyone's different, bro. Whatever works best for you guys. We like to go to bed early, so we put that baby down early. Like I'm in bed by 8:15. So
yeah,
I get to bed a bit early. So that baby sorry, Brookie, you get your ass down. But then you gotta know on the flip side, that bitch is 6 a.m. That bitch is up.
She's up. That's what
But
I'm
I'm
saying,
up at 6
though,
anyway.
right?
So I'm gonna be honest with you. The mornings with Brooke are probably some of my favorite. It's like my favorite thing to do anyway.
Yeah, I mean, she's playing drums at 5 a.m. She's good too.
But that makes me happy because it wakes up my wife.
Right.
And that satisfies me because she was just fucking nagging in my ear all night about, you work too much. You work too much. You're a fun little show. Are you even fucking making money?
Yeah, wake your ass up and go to work now.
Yeah. How come I got 49? How come I got 49 fucking Robinhood emails yesterday? Did you blow my account again? No, bitch.
We're up.
We're fucking green. We're fucking green. I'm targeting fucking 340 on N2. I'm targeting 340 on N2, bitch. Oh God, I'll fucking helicopter my shit right now if this shit hits
I
340.
like that.
You gotta wait. You gotta wait. You gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait. You gotta wait.
ES gets weak here. It's just gonna hit a fucking squeeze, a little fart, like a right back down. Really not fucking with this shit, bro.
Bro, do you watch fucking Love on the Spectrum?
I have you
Do you
mad
watch
low,
Love
bro. I
on,
wanted
you
to
watch
pick
Love
me
on
up.
the
Let
Spectrum?
me raise you back up.
One of the guys kind of look like you
Me?
this season. Yeah, it's this Spanish guy out of California.
Look like me.
Super fucking nice guy. It's like the most happy TV you could ever watch. But this one guy kind of looks like you. Yeah, there he is. There he is. He's right there in the chat.
The fuck you just say to me, bro?
I'ma find love. Per se, yeah. Yeah, interesting. Interesting, per se. Wow. That's how he talks. He's from California. Interesting. Interesting, per se. I had a great time. I would like to go out again, per se. Interesting. Bro, on God, that's one of the best impressions I've ever done. If you heard the voice, you would like the first thing homie did when he pulled up to the camera, the first thing he did when he pulled up to the camera, he's like, "Hi, Kian." He's like, "What's going on? I want to let you know I'm from the streets." And so I say, "What's up?" and everything. But I'm from the streets, Kian. That's how homie started. He's autistic, so he wanted to let Kian know, but I'm from the streets still. I say, "What's up?" and
Right. Stop playing.
everything. I say,
No, I get
"What's
that.
up?" Interesting.
There's a 410, the 410 tab with the flip. There's a 410 tab with the flip.
Do you have any
30 pointer.
siblings? Please say no. Please say no. Please say no. Please say no.
I'm not gonna lie, I've seen you do a lot better impressions.
No, you have no idea how good that is. Interesting. Bro, you have no idea how fire that is. Like, like it's literally fucking perfect. Lama, you're just a big fucking retard, per se. You just don't
Per
know
se?
interesting, per se. Yeah, you're a fucking retard.
Per se? Fuck does that even mean? I've never even heard someone say that.
He fucking says it per se. Per se is like, I guess, or something. I don't
I
know.
don't
It's
know what that
French.
means.
I thought you spoke
Per
French,
se.
fat fuck. Is it Latin? Per se?
I don't know. Shit might be fucking. I don't know. What language is he speaking? Hebrew?
He's Hispanic. He's a cholo from California. Interesting.
You did not just call him a cholo.
I did.
You're trying to get me tight right now, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, twin.
I don't care. I don't
Right.
care if you get tight. Get tight in the pants. Get tight in the pants and pull it out. Be a man.
Bro, I'll get this whole YouTube band right now. I promise you.
Oh God. Logan shit bends to the left.
So what I called him today?
Yeah. Yeah, that
Help with that.
sexual.
Very sexual.
I keep having dreams about Logan.
You had another one?
Yeah, I had another one.
Tell us about it, bro. I'm not gonna play this chop, bro. So tell me the story.
This was I barely remember this one. I don't remember a lot of my dreams, but I remember Logan was dancing in the middle of a dance floor for some reason, but he was just fucking spinning. He was
What
just
was the
spinning in
outfit?
the
What was his outfit?
The outfit was very interesting. It was cut off army. It wasn't even Marine. It was like cut off army BDUs. He kind of looked like Lieutenant Dangle from Reno 911. He kind of had the Lieutenant Dangle. You remember the episode in Reno 911 when Lieutenant Dangle bought new boots? That's kind of what he had going on. He had on like Lieutenant Dangle new boots vibes, like short army shorts with new boots. Yeah, right there. He had that. That's the outfit he kind of had on, but like army outfit. and he was just spinning in a fucking circle. It was really weird. And I was like, what the fuck are you doing, Logan?
So
You're just
Logan
sitting
was
there.
wearing army booty shorts in your dream.
Yes. Because we kept talking about how fat Logan's ass was, and now I'm dreaming about it.
Right.
Interesting.
Did you? Oh, look at that ES candle.
Oh, come on, give me 340. Give me 340. You know we've been holding off as a little 340. Give me 340.
What a thick candle. Didn't I tell you the retest of 410? If that doesn't hold, we're dumping. Yep, there it goes.
Interesting.
Now let's see if this holds. 345, bottom of the range here.
No, bro, I want 340.
Max.
No, Rama, you don't understand because you're homosexual. 340 is very interesting.
No, hold on. I still have questions. So you were dreaming of
bruh?
Logan having booty shorts.
What about Logan in booty shorts, bro? You get me tired right now.
All right,
What about
follow-up question. Did you wake up already ejaculated?
what?
Was it a wet dream? I guess is what I want to ask you.
What? The fuck?
Yes or
What do
no
you mean?
question. Don't act confused.
I've never had a wet dream in my life. Not one.
Max.
Not one.
It's just me and you here, bro.
I know it's
just me and you here. So you're telling me you didn't wake up a little sticky?
Ew. Ew. How do you even know it's sticky? Ew.
When I know when my boy's lying, like yesterday, you fucking lying sack of shit. Fuck you.
You got cooked, pussy. You got fucking cooked. You got cooked. I weighed myself. I knew exactly what I weighed. 352 fucking pounds. And guess what I did? Lama's like, you at least 365. I'm like, bet, bitch. I ain't 365. He's like, look at you, twin. You're big as fuck. And I'm like, I'm 350, bitch. So we pulled out the scale yesterday in the shop. Pulled out a whole scale, real ass scale. They weigh ammunition with this bitch. So I was like, I know I'm under 360. Bet 1,000 right now. And I was like, matter of fact, if you lose, you gotta pop $1,000 Pokemon card or sports card. And if I lose, I'll pop $1,000 Pokemon card right now. Weighed that shit, bang, 353 on the dot. You lose, fat boy. And then we pulled a banger fucking card. You owe me 1,300.
Didn't I tell you I'm never speaking to you again if we fucking smacked? You got
Bro, on God, if you
scanned?
don't send me that fucking card, I'm reporting your whatnot for sending me 3 fakes and not giving me the giveaways.
You.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Fuck
And then
me?
guess what
Fuck
else?
you.
Guess what else? Guess what else Lama did? You know what else Lama did? He sends me this.
What else did I do? I'm dying to
He
know.
sends me this fucking picture.
Oh my
What
god!
does
hold
this
on, I'm
look
going
like?
long.
What does this
Give me
look
tight
like?
right now? I'm going
This
long.
is what does this look like,
Go ahead.
chat? This is inappropriate. What is that? I bet you guys can't even tell me what that is without a clear fucking screen. What is that? He sends me this, and I'm like, yo, pause, twin. That's an arm. That's his arm. No, I'm not talking about what he's holding, you idiots. Look at his arm. Why his wrist the same size of his fucking as his whole arm? Why is it one size? It looks like a giant fucking dick. I thought he sent me a giant fucking picture of his schlong. And then I said, why is it not bent to the left? And it's hairy. Ew.
Get me real tight today. You know that, right? It can be real fucking tight today, bro. I'm dead ass about to YOLO my whole
I
fucking
never
account.
pushed
now,
the
bro. You're really
record
pissing me
button.
the
My bad. Production, fuck.
production. Let's get a strike going on this guy.
Got a stripe going on these nuts, idiot.
How do you forget to record? We only have 15 steps to do it now. You only have to open up the Discord, click a link, put in the password, go on to another website, click the task, click the next task, and we have
8 things to fucking click before going live. You only made it fucking harder. Production, you only made it fucking harder for us to remember. It's only fucking harder now because it's 15 steps now. Had to call production out on their bullshit. Fuck you. 15 steps to go live now. How the fuck am I not gonna forget? Get me tight, bro. Swear to God, I'm about to YOLO my shit. Swear to God, I'm popping my account today.
Well, on God, I'm
Lama,
about to
bro, I'm
YOLO my
already in
shit too.
profit. First trade. You're putting
This
me
shit looks
breaking
good.
and
The
letting
short
one
looks
stop.
good. That's the problem. Is the short's looking so sexual right now at this midline rejection on SPX. It's looking so sexual that I feel
I'm
like
telling you,
but NQ is
whatever you
looking
want to get
beefy.
into, I'm doing the opposite. You're pissing me the fuck off.
On God?
You want to go short? I'll fucking long right now and blow my whole account just because you. I swear to God.
All right, bet. Bet, pussy boy. Here we
You're
go.
really trying to fucking piss me off. You know that?
I'm gonna wait for SPX Future Strat 2 midline in play here. Nice little pull up. Want to see what happens if we test that 96. If we test that 96 to 400, I'll go schlong. Otherwise, I'm gonna be in the fucking. I'm gonna be in the short.
You let me know what button you're clicking. I'm doing the opposite. We're fading for the rest of the year.
I just told you, twin.
I fucking hate this guy, bro. I swear to God.
Did
Swear to
Jimmy
God
put
and
you as
Moses, bro.
Jimmy just put you as the picture?
What he put? What the fuck did Jimmy put, bro? Beat the dog shit
Look
out
at
of
his
Jimmy's
card.
bald ass.
His card show.
You know, like this fucking bro, like this fucking gang up of the fucking Heenies is really starting to fucking piss me off.
There we go.
You know
Short
that?
starting to move. Short starting to move, baby. I want to see SPX come back down and
Really
test
starting
that
to
orb.
fucking piss me off.
Well, that's a nice wick.
These juice things, right?
These what?
Battle of the Chuds. What the fuck is a Chud?
What's a chud?
I'm more of a Chad, not a Chud.
I'm more of a fucking like Thad Castle. There we go.
Is it
Come on.
because you also have a
Drop a little bit. Drop for me, daddy. Drop, daddy. Drop. Drop, daddy. Don't you want to drop, SPX? Interesting. Interesting. Don't you want to fall like a fucking like a ball falling down the other? I don't know. These wicks right here are very strong in this bullshit choppy area. This is a bullshit area, chat.
Bro,
This
NQ
is a
looks disgusting. This
a
is
bull-
disgusting.
It's a bullshit area. But right now,
It's
I
gonna
have
chop
to
right
hold.
back down.
I have to hold the short.
Fucking dropping 50 mini short. You're pissing me off.
I have to hold the short because I think it's got to drop back down a little bit. Maybe interesting.
Might be interesting.
Interesting. I mean, we're downtrending. We are downtrending.
Bottom of the chop.
Here we
I'm just
go.
gonna-
Here we go. Come on.
I'm
Here
gonna
we go.
take
Come
that
on.
partial.
Give a little
I'm gonna just
break.
take that right there.
There we go.
I
Give a
dropped
little
the
break.
50 and made a bando.
Come on. Give a little break,
Trying to
baby. Come
fucking
on.
aggravate the fuck out of me, bro.
For the guy in the chat telling me to go long, you suck my balls.
Like that.
Yeah. I'm looking for a new low, and I'm currently up 4,800, twin. So don't talk to me like that. There's a nice little break. I want to see 340. We're only like 18 points away. If it breaks this range breaker right here, a quick push through orb, we have ourselves 340. I mean, we're literally right here. And I'm currently up 6 bands and floating. I'm gonna go ahead and move that stop to break even just for any impulsive fucking crazy 50-point candles that could cook my kneesies. Here we go. SPX. I want to see SPX literally break orb and rip right to yesterday's close. And like one candle, I want to see SPX dump orb and smack yesterday's close right on the fucking nostrils. Here we go. Here we go. We're 10 points away, 9 points. Here we go. SPX about to test that orb. All we need is that little break and one smack right through to yesterday's close. Bang. Here we go. There goes the orb break. And now smack right to yesterday's close. Who's the fucking man? Who's the fucking man? Who's the fucking man? Who's the man? Get off my kneesies. Get off my fucking kneesies. Don't ever tell me what to fucking do. Don't ever fucking tell me what to do. I'm the man. Full take profit right there. Full fucking take profit. Don't ever tell me what to fucking do.
Spit on it. Not like that.
How?
No, like that, like that. Yeah, like that, like that.
Fuck you, man. Oh, did we break orb in one foul swoop with a clean dump right to yesterday's close? Oh, I'm gonna bust. I'm gonna bust. I'm gonna bust. I'm gonna bust. I'm gonna bust.
Yeah. All right, hold on. We gotta flip this now. Holy shit, bro. Why is it when I said spit on it, you instantly started stroking your microphone?
Have you ever seen anything as sexual as me? I love you and I need you. Look at that, one and done. One and done. Hold on, what'd you say?
One and done, fuck nigga.
What'd you say? I couldn't quite hear you.
One and done, fuck nigga.
Oh, that's what I thought.
Nelly, I love you.
I'm logging off, man. That short look hella juicy.
This is a steepy movie, and I really do want to see it.
Was that not goated? Was that not goated, chat? Let me get, bro. Was that not goated? Let me see the profits, chat, because we still rolling in the short, baby. We still rolling in the short, baby. Show me the profits. Show me the profits. Hold on. Let me get my Jerry curl right.
Holy smokes.
Hold on. Let me get my Jerry curl right.
My boy Das Logs is currently up 30 bands on the fucking pros.
Right, because he fucking finally started. I told him, stop trading PHP and start trading the max way and you'll be profitable. He was like, right, I guess I should get back to that. Get my Jerry curl right.
Oh, that type of shit checks out. That type of shit does check out.
Logan's gonna go tell all of his students at 6 p.m. tonight on a recap. Yeah, fucking one and done, break of orb, just like I taught you guys.
Nelly, I love you.
Look at the short, baby. Who did that? 100 points. 100 plus fucking points, baby. Let's go. Let's go, chat. You're not hype enough. Anarchy, kick fire on these hoes. They're not hype enough, baby. Let's go. 110 points.
What did I just do? Just close my shit out like a fucking.
Never drop.
Give me a profit roll.
Grind lines, deep cuts, sweat falls. No love. Dryline concrete, back straight, locked in.
Holy black
Tries to
screen.
fold me. I just dig in, weight on my shoulders.
Hell no.
Every hit I'm taking.
Now show me the profits, baby. Bang, 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 bang.
Yeah, Prophet Reezy. Prophet Reezy.
Every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 chop. Cut the fear off, let it chop. Bank on chop, put it all up in the shot. When the red light says to stop. Hear the echo when I drop. Chop, 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 chop. Step by step, I never stop. Bank on chop, cause I'll always beat the clock. Top long at the base. But from the grind, not a pretty face. Short at the top, long where it counts. Stacking that strength.
Is that a new verse?
Big mouth.
I never heard that one.
Interesting.
I'm fully black screen on Twitter. Fully black screen. Alright, we're back.
taking hella breeze. Let's go, chat.
Storm you can't outrun.
Cut it, Anthony, baby. Cut that shit, twin. Cut that shit, twin.
Hello, Breach got made, twin. Hello. Hello,
Hello,
Breach.
hello.
Hello, Breach got made, twin. Hello, Breach got made, twin.
Someone said, can you drop the Kanye that you guys play? Oh man, I love the drilling going on right outside my house. That's so good. What a fucking Tankerton, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I love that. I love that. Good job, everybody. Good job. Good job. Good job. For those of you that are just joining us on the YouTube, first of all, like the stream for us. If you could, please. It takes all 3 seconds to like a stream. That would be very helpful. We love you guys across all platforms. I believe we're live on a bunch of platforms. So we appreciate you guys. But remember, most importantly, like the stream on YouTube. That helps an absolute ton. And for those of you that are new on the YouTube and don't understand, we do not give entries and exits and all that nonsense. We're here for entertainment purposes only. We are not even traders. We're actors. You're talking to 2 actors right here. My real name's not even Matt. You fucking idiots. But if you pay attention to the cadence while we're up here entertaining, once you're here over the next few days, weeks, you'll notice the cadence. We're not going to say things like, oh, I'm entering the trade here. Guys, you should put a stop and we're going to risk 3-1. We don't do things like that. Things have a certain cadence and you're just going to have to pick that up, baby. Ew, Lama, don't do it like that.
You just suck that thing. Oh, bro. Matter of fact, hold on. I got something for you. I'll just wait. You're gonna fuck with this one, trust. Hold on. I gotta find it. Hold on. Wait a minute. Where is it?
Hold on from the bottom.
Where is it? Come on.
It's very sexual. Very sexual. If my students should know immediately when I said Fute 2 off midline rejection, what was looking at in the downtrend, and that we were going to push right through orb into yesterday's close where an MBG was sitting. I mean, there's the whole setup. There's the whole fucking setup. Buy the course. Buy the fucking course if you want to learn how to do it. It was like the cleanest, easiest fucking setup. Nathan, that is a wonderful chart. Do not post charts with sauce in the chat.
For you.
Do not pay 2 players. Do
Can y'all
not
fat
post your
boys shut
charts
up and
that are
congratulate
labeled
Coach and
with
Logan's
sauce
new
in the
nail
chat. Mom,
salon
I'm getting
business?
feedback from you heavy.
I found a new name for you.
Are we doing installment plans? Yes, Karma. I think we're doing installment plans on. Yes.
I replied to Karma.
You
I
can.
replied to
Yeah,
him. Told him, yes,
you
on
can
that
finance.
website.
Can y'all fat boys shut up and congratulate Coach and Logan's new nail salon business? $5 dono on the YouTube. What nail salon business?
They have a nail salon business?
Coach and Logan have a nail salon business?
How did that happen?
I don't know. We got a $5 dono saying, can y'all fat boys shut up and congratulate Coach and Logan? What the fuck are they talking about? Who made me Morgan Freeman? Who the hell made me Morgan Freeman? Take it down right now. How old is he? Nobody knows.
Bro, Morgan Freeman been 70 since I was like 8 years old. I'm not gonna lie to you. He's been 70 for years. Like decades, honestly.
Chat's getting me fucking tired right now. Is anyone gonna tell
What
me?
I don't understand
Is anyone gonna even tell me?
is I got a new name for you. I got a few of them. Tell me what you think.
Okay,
The
Chat,
Flower Ranger. Tell me what you think about that. Max, tell me what you think about that.
got to spell it like this. Like that.
What is that? A flower?
Flour. You know, like the white stuff that you cook with?
So you're calling me the White Ranger?
No, flour. Like a flour ranger. Maybe like a wafer warrior.
You just chat GPT'd a bunch of ways to insult related to with food relationship. That's
No,
exactly
not just food.
white foods.
It could be like a chalk walker.
What is that?
Is that a Dominican U? It's got to be a Dominican U.
I want to see Dominican me. Someone make me Dominican.
That looks
Someone
like
make
Dominican U.
Someone make me, but no black. No black. Someone make me Dominican Bobby. I'm getting crazy feedback from you.
You're fucking yelling off the top of your lungs. I have the volume at 10.
Bro, it doesn't matter what the volume's at. I shouldn't be able to hear you. I have you on a speaker loud as fuck, but you can't hear it.
Then I
Fix
gotta
your
fix my
settings.
mic settings. I got the gain at
Someone make me
50, the
Dominican
volume's at
Bobby.
10. I don't even know how this is working anymore. The gain's at 50, the volume's at 10.
Not enough baseball.
Let's drop it over here too. This shit's getting
Not enough
annoying.
baseball.
This could get a squeeze up to 45. I don't like when orb gets blown through like that with no retest. Could see if it doesn't pop back up.
You don't like when it gets blown out?
No, needs to get some type of retest, in my opinion. We're hesitating here. I think it could just make a move to
What
the
a
next
great
move.
day. Great day. We have more really interesting things coming your way, guys. Did you guys know that? We actually have, hold on. We actually have.
That's the Flower Ranger. Yeah, you see? That looks good.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the CEO of
Why
Wealth
is it still
Charts.
picking you up?
Bro, it's so bad. You need to fix that, especially before
I
the
don't know how
Hawk
the
gets on here.
fucking technician.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know the vibes. Give it up for the CEO of Wealth Charts.
Hey, everybody. Good
Mr.
morning.
Rob Hoffman.
Good morning. Good morning. Great to see all of you.
Hockey.
Hopper.
Lama. La 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 Lama.
Why is it?
You got me kind of warm and fuzzy inside earlier, Max, the way you were handling that microphone. So I don't know
Oh,
what I
wow.
was
You
going to
saw
do.
that? Thank
Oh,
you.
yeah, I saw that. Yeah. You know,
Yeah, well,
gotta get my daily
Hoff,
fill.
did you see me call my shot like fucking
Oh,
Kobe
yeah.
Bryant and dump that?
Yep.
Did you see that?
Yeah, you said once it breaks that level, and it's going to drop. And somebody was trying to tell you to go long, and you're like, "Yeah, I'm not going long. I'm going to go ahead and break that level and watch that thing fly." And
Yeah.
nice.
And that's
job.
such an
Nice job.
important underlying statement, Hoff. Like, how many people in you're a 37 time now? Two more trophies added. 37 time, not 35 anymore. 37 time champion. How many times have people tried to tell you when to trade and things like that?
Good idea.
37.
Give me a
Yeah,
second.
homie, bro. Did you guys know the
Hey.
Hoff was just in fucking Europe like 3 weeks ago and smacked 2 more championships?
Yeah. So here they are, and when people went
You're
ahead
just
and
abusing Europeans at this point, Napoleon.
well, and they've got a lot of opinions on how I should trade. And if I would have traded just like the gentleman who was telling you, the gentleman who was telling you, hey man, you should go long. You should go long. It's like you got to stick to what you know. That's so important because there's a lot of opinions. You ask 10 different people and they'll give you 12 different opinions. You got to stick to what you know.
You do have to stick to, and that's such an important underlying lesson that I think everyone should listen to here. Like people in the chat screaming, go long, go long, go long. And no, your strategy says go short, you go short. And trust me, it feels a lot better to be wrong your way than to listen to someone else and be wrong, because now you're going to be like, pissed off. You're going to be like fucking a little resentful towards that person. So always stick to your strategy. The Hoff sticks to his strategy. Lama sticks to his strategy. The Big Daddy Max trades orb. I mean, it's all, do your thing, guys. I can't stress this enough. Trading is the most individual career in the world. The most individual. Talk to us, Hoff, baby. What are we doing? What do we got going on here?
Wow. Well, there's so much to catch up on. You mentioned orb, so why don't we go ahead and start with that? I think Sean up here with us. If we can get Sean
Oh,
WC
yeah, get
there,
Sean up here.
to come join the party. The free orb, well, obviously the best of the best is going to be the paid orb, but you've got the free orb for people to get them going. Hopefully they can do well with that and then upgrade to the advanced orb. So Wealth Charts now has the free orb inside of it, and love to go ahead and show everybody how to get access to that. We'll start with that first. Then we'll just kind of lead up and crescendo with a bunch of great news. So we'll start with something there. Sean, do you want to show it real quick how everybody can get access to it? Because I saw a lot of profits this morning inside of Wealth Charts. People were posting them here and that. So congratulations. I tried to give a little Wealth Charts emblem to you guys too on a rocket ship. Say great job. So Sean, you want to show that real quick how they can get access to the free orb?
Yeah, absolutely. Just right click on your chart, add indicators. It's going to be located underneath Premiere, but if you're like me and you don't like looking through lists, you can just search MOT up at the top here, and it will come up with the basic orb. You can select that, apply the indicator, toggle any settings that you want, and it's there on your screen.
Boom, baby. What a sexual free indicator. Perfect orb with midline for all the traders that are going to be smacking Omni prop. Love that you guys got the free orb indicator up there. It's so important to have a free indicator that can draw those lines out for everyone every day. So we really appreciate you guys getting that up there.
And then the next thing is with the we, of course, as you guys know, we have advanced trade journaling, but we always try to improve, and I'll come back to that in a little bit later here. But and so with trade journaling, Sean, do you want to show them the new feature we added into the trade journaling, make trade journaling even faster and easier?
Shield your eyes. They're horrible profits right now. So the new trade journal is
Sean,
now.
do you want to talk
live.
about that for a second, Sean?
I think we could just talk about it, Sean. Honestly,
Sean, should we just have a quick chat about your current trade journal?
He doesn't listen to me, so I gave up.
well, we just talked about it. He's not supposed to.
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly. I'm an independent trader. I'll lose my profits the way that I want to.
Nice. We respect that. We respect that, Sean. We really do respect that.
Sean. Big respect, Sean. Go ahead.
Right. So the new trade journal, when you go to the calendar or anywhere within your trade journal, the trades that you placed are all listed underneath with the trade visual on the screen and the journal over on the right-hand side. So it's all consolidated into the same area. So you don't need to flip through different areas to make meaningful journal entries anymore. It has the same aspects of the old journal, so you can do your text-based emotions, your checklists for your trade plans, all that stuff. It's all built in here. Very wonderful for getting your journaling needs taken care of.
Well, yeah, badass. Always making updates and improvements to the platform. That's one thing people I think love best about WC is that the always the consistent. Wow, Sean, really on a fucking heater there. $38. $38 green is your only green day.
Of course.
Sean, were those your real trades or were those the
no, it can't be.
No, that's him just testing the platform.
Yeah, right. I was just saying because, like, for me, I would never have that unless I was just testing the platform. So that's why
5,000 trades. I hope he was testing the platform with 5,000 trades.
Everybody uses Sean's account. All the devs use Sean's account to go ahead and do all their buys and sell.
If it was green, I would say Javi was just trading that accurately with 5,000 trades.
So, well, first of all, here, how many of you type in lucky number 7 if you've seen how fast the fills are on Wealth Charts, right? You smash that button, you get the fills, everything's so instant. We are constantly trying to get the milliseconds down, every millisecond we can shave off. So Sean's account's being used and abused, as you can see, to try to shave those milliseconds, right? Give you that fast, lightning fast experience and get those insta fills like with Omniprop and that. Have you guys noticed? In fact, keep the 7s coming if you've noticed that with Omniprop. Just great instant fills. Like if you've used other third-party trade copying platforms and that, that there can be extended slippage, sometimes several points, if if the trade even goes through because it's AI based. It's got to go out to all those different props. It's got to get all that information back. That's a lot of slippage time. But with wealth charts, it's all built right in, and all connected together. I love those photos. You guys are awesome. And so we're constantly trying to improve, that lightning fast trade, trading and snappiness. So that's why you see thousands of trades. Guys are always trying to make it faster and faster and just better and better every day. And so we have more things. And Sean, I don't know if there's something you want to talk about first, or we can go introduce some of the even more exciting features that we just added.
No, I was just going to mention, we've done a lot of testing on the platform for some of the big releases. So Rob, I'll let you discuss what you need to discuss.
All right. So with that, let's go ahead and talk about another big one. We've been working on this behind the scenes with Hobby. When I go ahead and go full screen there, I lose my. Let's try this here again. We're going to share the screen again.
That break back in the orb. There's nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move.
Let me move this.
Oh,
over.
really?
Here, I'll move it over here.
Can I get a lucky number 7 if you're in the long off the? We're gonna go back up to orb retest call.
And everybody makes fun of my lucky number 7, but it's this is who I am, right? Unlucky number 6, lucky number 7, all that good stuff. So let's see. Let's get this up.
We use it all. We say that shit all the fucking time now.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, I am excited.
Yeah.
I'm excited to announce that, of course, we released OmniProp a few weeks ago, only built-in platform that has that, and where you can trade multiple prop firms. We now have a whole new mobile version that does a whole lot of things. And as you can see here, you see like if you got a flip phone, like Hobby, for instance, you can have your dome on one side. You can have multiple charts, up to like 4 charts at the same time on your mobile. And a lot of other great features. In addition to light mode, dark mode, we do have visually impaired, colorblind, for instance. We have well, you know what? I'm going to let Sean talk about because I don't want to give away all the goodies. Sean, do you want to show it, or do you want me to show it on the slides here?
New, advanced, and dumb.
Yeah, we'll go through the presentation, and then I'll show them the live version.
So we've got we got these wonderful, so go ahead. What you need to do, download the most recent version of the mobile app. I think we just loaded it up this morning. So download the most current version on your, Android app or your iPhone. And you can go, and of course it's available for the iPad as well. And so what you can do is you can set it up however you want. It's really nice to set up multiple charts and or you have full screen for your dome now. Again, these are different themes and customization, so a lot of color choices. The color blind or the feature was really nice too for people, and so you can make it really bright and kind of pop and colorful, or you can keep it a little more muted, whatever's best for you. We got lots of themes there, as you can see. And we also go ahead and have the trade copier on the mobile app. So you have got all the wonderful Wealth Charts trade copier features, including you have OmniProp. So OmniProp and trade copier, in addition to the other things I shared with you, are all on the mobile app now. So you guys have been asking for that, and we wanted to give that to you. So I hope that you're loving that, and if that's exciting for you, definitely go ahead. Yeah, let's see, that's great. So Mecca says the new version looks way different, but man, does it look sweet. Also great to execute trades, big upgrade in previous versions. Yeah, thanks, Mecca. So that's what we're trying to do, is constantly improve. And so Sean's going to show that. But, Max, is there something, do you mind if I put something up? Because, we're always trying to make everything better for the family. And I'd love to go ahead and hear from all the people, that love wealth charts, that don't love the well charts, because it's funny because we get people like, oh, well charts too complex to learn, and so of course you can make it as simple as possible, which I'm going to share with you in a
Yeah,
moment.
put it up,
You can,
baby.
but I just want to, what I want to do is ask everybody if you guys could go here to wealthcharts.com/MOT, and we maybe put that link in the chat there. So let me see if I can put that in. Because if I get your feedback, I need your help, right? We're, as you can see, we put in things at the speed of light, and I really care about our MOT family. I always release our newest features coming out. Like this stuff isn't even being announced until next week on the show, the Well 365 Summit. We're actually Max,
We need to talk
Llama,
about
and
that.
Hobby. Yeah, yeah. Max, Llama, and Hobby are all going to be there next week, and so I hope that's okay that I mentioned all that now. But so we got Max, Llama, and Hobby will all be on the big weekly summit next week. The weekly summit, the quarterly Well 365 Summit, and we're going to be giving away like hundreds of accounts too. And so it's going to be a big, crazy time. But none of this stuff's being announced until next week. And so I always try to share the secret stuff, the inside stuff that's coming with you guys first. In fact, we even kind of pre-announced the mobile app. If you remember, a few weeks ago, I had said, "Hey, Hobby and I are working on some really big things, and hopefully you guys are going to really love it." But we'll be making those announcements in just a few weeks. So I got a little busy, obviously, on my end, with the trading competitions over in Europe and everything. But the guys kept it all moving while I was doing those speaking engagements and those trading competitions. So we're excited to announce this. But yeah, that link, if you go to that link, it would be really helpful if you guys could do for me here. If I can drag this over, trying to because what I'm trying to get, if you guys have gone to the link here. And let's try to pull us over. It's great for feedback. So if you could tell us, what you like, and those of you that are loving wealth charts, if you tell us why. Those of you that maybe tried it in the past, if you could be very specific. So that's the problem. Sometimes when people say, "Oh, I just don't like it," well, what is it you don't like, right? What specifically? And so if you guys could help us here, you can go ahead and fill out the information. So just put your first and last name in, your email address, your telephone number. That's not for any other reason for my team to go and reach out to you if we have questions and want to get more information, or see if you can help us, kind of like we worked with Hobby, see if you can help us improve some of those features and benefits. Wealth charts is part of my family history now. It's like kind of a legacy for my family. We've been offered to be bought out so many times, and we're just not selling. We have $0 in investment capital. Every single dollar basically more or less just rolls right back in, other than, as Max knows, I do a lot of heavy charity work. So the other than like heavy charity work, a lot of that money is just rolling right back into wealth charts to grow it, improve it for you guys. And so if you'd fill out the information there, and also let me know your screen name on Discord, because I'm starting to get used to the names, the faces, people I met in Florida in January there, and that hopefully I'll be seeing you guys soon at something else, which I'll let Max talk about. But yeah, just tell us I love it, and then tell us why, or it's not for me. Tell me why. Not sure yet. Tell me why. So it's really about getting your feedback, get that specific feedback. Can you guys help me with that? If you just type in a lucky number 7, because I'm trying to make this the best platform out there.
Nice.
And there's so many features that people just don't know are already in wealth charts, and so the wealth charts could just be made as simple or
I think we may have lost Rob.
Rob.
Yeah, Rob. What would you have it, but?
All right.
Number 7 in the chat if you miss Rob.
Guys, put a lucky number fucking 6 in the chat if we lost the Hoff. I mean, seriously, put a 6 in the chat if we lost the Hoff. Let's wait for the Hoff to get back. He is having some DC. He has DC'd. That is disconnected for us gamer nerds. Sean, do you want to kind of take over for the Hoff real quick and just go over the form? It's a questionnaire form.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've got the questionnaire form there. What I'll do to just keep things moving here, I'm going to actually show you guys the new mobile app. So to preface this, I have a special downloaded version on my computer that the developers gave to me so I can show you guys this. So I don't need to try and show you the mobile app via webcam and everything else. So the version here. So you can see that you have, right now I have a single chart. I've got everything pulled up here. You can navigate through the different areas down at the bottom. So you've got your standard watch list. You've got the Discover tab where you can find out new trade ideas, what's moving in the market, what's declining, sector performance, etc. You have your chart, widgets for things like scanners, wealth tracker. We're still building out the journal for the wealth tracker portion there. So you'll be able to journal from the mobile app as well. And then, of course, the settings area. So Rob was mentioning the ability to change your themes on the mobile app. So you can toggle the system setting off and you can choose a custom theme. So some users that are colorblind, we have different colorblind presets in there. You can also create custom themes if you're trying to go through and set something up that works for you. I vary depending on if I'm trying to do something late in the evening, want to not have that bright of a screen. I like the blackout version for that. Kind of just makes everything dark, so I don't have a lot of glow from the screen. But you can change it. You can have it set to the system setting. You can also choose what pops up when you load up the mobile app. For me, I don't really utilize Watchlist Discover. I usually just focus on the chart and do that. Drawer position, if you're using a bigger device like a tablet or the Z Fold like Javi, you can define where it's actually going to open up. So I have it set to default. So on a wider display like this, the drawers which would normally open for like your portfolio and that, they actually open up on the side. So you can choose where you want that to open up on the larger mobile devices, which is great. The UI has been completely cleaned up, so it's much nicer, more user-friendly. The dome has been enhanced, so there's actually two versions of the dome. You have this newer visual kind of rounded version of the dome, and then you have the old version of the dome as well. Both are fully functional. You can choose whichever design you want.
You know what I see about your guys' dom? I like that you have it's almost like a volume profile coming along
Yeah, I
with
was
it.
looking at
That looks very clean the way you guys
Very
did that
nice.
on mobile. So you not only get the clear numbers, but you also kind of get the volume profile mixture with that. That's actually sick as fuck. You guys cooked on that one. That looks incredible. So I don't know if Javi had any input on that or who came up with the volume profile mixture on the Dom, but that is a very sexual visual that I'm looking at right now. So
Yeah,
kudos
and
to
I'm
that.
sorry. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened. Discord just literally just crashed on me and said it was updating. So I'm not sure if that's a common thing. So I apologize, guys, where we left off. But obviously, Sean's showing a lot of great stuff there. But hopefully, this gives you guys ideas too. Just to kind of go back to that form, all the things you love. If you're loving well charts, let us know about it. If you haven't tried it, what can we do to help you? If you have tried it and you haven't liked it, what can we do to make it better for you? Because we're just constantly improving again in that theme, and hopefully you guys caught that before I burned out there with the restart of
Yeah.
Discord, is that the theme was we're here to make it as simple as you want it to be, a simple chart and trade off your chart and just do that all day, or as advanced as what I need for real money trading competitions, real money trading, here at the office or all around the world. So, that's why we just help us, help you, help us all. And that's why we partnered up with Hobby to go ahead and, make, some great improvements there. And we kind of want to partner up with all of our, MOT family to just keep making it better and better. You guys see the rapid, deployment rate that we have. We just released OmniProp a few weeks ago. Now we got a mobile app along with the trade copier. So just help us with that MOT link. Tell us what you love. And for all of you that love us, tell us why you love us. Those of you that don't like it, tell us what we can do to make it better. Give us, like I said, give me your name, email address, so I can talk to you. So I just wanted to leave it to that. Go ahead, Sean.
Yeah, so I just saw a couple questions come in about being able to set like a take profit and stop loss once you get into a position. You can preset those with advanced orders with simple and multi brackets, so you're totally covered once you click the buy or the sell button. This is on mobile. This is on web as well. You'll find them in any order panel. I just got completely stopped out. But yeah, you have the ability to set up those advanced orders. You can also trade copy in mobile now. This has been a long asked for item. We revamped the trade copier on production for web, and we finally implemented it into mobile.
You can copy trade. You can omniprop copy trade.
Oh yes,
prop copy trade from your mobile device.
Huh.
So
Interesting.
I have all of my prop accounts here because I'm connected to OmniProp.
God damn, Sean.
So we can go ahead and select all the accounts that we want to copy trade in, set up the strategy, the leader account, everything there. The best part about this, go long.
Go long on the leader. Yeah, click a leader account.
All right.
Let's see how smooth this goes. Did it just enter all your accounts?
It did. So I'm in all of them. I can look at the portfolio. I can see that I'm long in all of the accounts.
Nice. Get ready to put a stop loss at break even, Sean, right there, about 12 points. You missed it, buddy.
I might have missed it.
It's
So
all right.
I have one limitation functionality. A lot of you guys also asked for quick order entry on mobile. So on the download version here that I have, I can't show this to you guys, but if you long press on the chart, you'll get an option. Oh, it must have fixed it, but you'll get an option to actually place the buy and sell orders. So you can also do your limits and stops from the chart as well. You don't need to go through the order panel. Quick setup for your orders, everything else.
Very nice.
Sean,
we're cooking.
Tunda asks, is OmniProp different than Trade Copier? Trade Copier is our solid foundation of which OmniProp is built on. So from your perspective, you're basically using the same wonderful trading copier you're familiar with. The difference is the OmniProp technology we built then allows it to work with all those prop firms that are integrated into wealth charts. And as I mentioned to you before, you got to tell your favorite prop firms because it only takes us 3 days. Actually, I think we've gotten it down to about 2 days to hand them everything now. But we say 3 days, just in case a bunch of people go sick or vacation, whatever. And so you got to let your favorite props know. If you want wealth charts on your favorite props, you got to let them know because they're waiting for you to tell them that you need wealth charts. We're cheaper than these other platforms they work with, but unfortunately, it's an old institutional. It's a kind of old dog system now. People got their alliances, their strategies. Admittedly, some people have played games and said, well, we're going to go to wealth charts unless you lower our rates and things like that. So they've kind of used wealth charts as a leverage point elsewhere, but we're still cheaper than all those other prop firm related providers. So there's no reason for them not to do it. It takes us 3 days on our end, takes them 2 to 3 weeks on their end to get them up. So this army of MOT family needs to tell the world, to get them, your favorite props. All right. But yeah, so so hopefully that explains the technology. It's your same wonderful trade copier, but then we've added.
You guys did an absolutely wonderful fucking job on the mobile app, seriously. And I know Javi has been a good consultant for you guys as the king of mobile trading and the most profitable mobile trader in the game, Javi, the Maestro gang. But this is unbelievable. You guys absolutely cooked on this mobile app. Great job.
You see that you see that there too. You get all those charts and all that data side by side. It's really incredible. So help us help you, help us off. Please fill out that form. And so I think those were a couple of the key things. Sean, was there some other things that you wanted to share with the audience there?
Just from the mobile perspective, development wise, we had a vision for the mobile app. Took us, I think, what was it, Rob? 4 weeks total from building this from the ground up on the redesign and everything else, all the new functionality, new features. 4 weeks. And that's primarily because, as we've mentioned to a lot of you in person at the MOT events, as Rob's always mentioning, we don't have any investor capital. So we don't answer to different board meetings. We're not stuck in development cycles trying to figure out what's going to move a needle, what's not going to get approval. We have a vision, we have feedback from you guys, and we action on it.
That's amazing.
Max,
That's
yeah,
amazing.
Max, I don't know if you want to, if it's okay to, so we gave him the MOT link.
We got more shit to announce.
Yeah, well, do you want to let me put in the link for them to come see you and Lama and Javi and me next week?
Fuck yeah, let them know.
Okay, I'll go ahead and I'll pull that up.
This is for Wealth
and
365, guys. The largest online wealth summit in the world. You know, the Hoff does these every quarter. It is the biggest wealth summit of financial knowledge in the game. He has everything from your regulated CME professionals all the way down to your Big Daddy Maxes and everything far and through in between. So make sure you guys are all tapping in. Next week is the official Wealth 365 Summit, where me, Lama, and Javi will be presenting. Me, Lama, and Javi will be presenting Wealth 365/MOT, baby. That is the official link where you guys can come tap in, sign up, and come hang out and get the schedule and everything. So you guys can, next week is going to be the Wealth 365 conference. Don't miss out. It's going to be a big one, as always is. So make sure you guys check it out.
And we're giving away hundreds of free accounts between the different prop firms as well, Max. So yeah, hundreds. Yeah, it's going to be crazy. So yeah, it's going to be a big week. And obviously Max, Lama, and Javi are a big part of that. So a lot of goodness, a lot of greatness kind of coming out here. I appreciate all of you that took the time to fill out that wealthcharts.com/MOT form as well. So it's great for all of you that love us, so we can do more of that. Let us know. Those of you that we can do better for, we want to know that. And so thanks for being the world's greatest students. And I don't know, Max, I heard you might be announcing something coming up. Are you gonna talk about that? Doc mentioned you might, so I was leaving that to you, sir.
Fuck, are we announcing everything? We're just dropping it all?
I mean, Doc mentioned that was going to probably happen, so I'm like, I was going to leave that one to you just in case you guys change last minute.
Well, all right, fucking let it fly. All right, so I mean, first announcement, mobile app looks sick. Great job. Second announcement, Wealth 365 Summit next week. Sign up. And last announcement, guys, we are coming out with our next live event. Is official. The Max Options Trading Blitz. We are having our next live event. It is the Max Options Trading Blitz. It is going to be all day April. What is that? Not April.
June.
May,
June
16th. June 16th. June 15th.
One of those months.
June 15th and 16th. We are going to be at the Wealth Charts headquarters near Chicago. We are going to be at the Wealth Charts headquarters near Chicago in Lake Geneva, baby. We're going to be at Lake Geneva. Guys, there's very, very limited room for this one. We can only take 100 people a day. Only 100 people a day. Listen to what I'm saying. We had over 1,000 come to MOT Live. This is just 100 in the first day or while we're there performing. So if you guys want to come see the MOT Live team yet again, baby, you need to sign up for the MOT Blitz, hosted by Wealth Charts headquarters and presented by Wealth Charts and Max Options Trading. Sign up for the Blitz. Get your thing. There's only going to be 100 seats in the room, and those 100 traders are going to get a fucking show like you've never seen before, giveaways like they've seen before, because we do it all the time, and knowledge, education, and presentation from everybody. It sounds like someone's using a vibrator outside. I know. I'm sorry. I'm building a 1,500 square foot studio right outside my door, and I can't stop the boys. The trusses just came in today. So I apologize about that. So, guys, MOT Blitz officially announced. Let's get that on the announcement channel, Jake. Mods, let's get that on the announcement channel. So we are taking over Wealth Charts, essentially, is what it really is Max Options Trading Crew is coming to take over Wealth Charts. And to be honest, I'm fucking pumped. We love doing live events. This is the next official live event. I'm not doing anything crazy. 100 people a day. And yes, it's totally free. Oh, did we mention that? Me and Hoff are going to pay for everyone. We're going to pay for all the free accounts. We're going to pay for the AV, the education, the food, the beverage, everything. You guys know the vibes at MOT, baby. It's 100% free.
You just have to show up. That's
You
it.
literally just have to show up, bring a fucking computer, have the best time of your life, come
And time
network,
lucky number
have
7.
fun. It's at the Hoff's headquarters. We could trash the place and leave. It's going to be insane. It's going to be insane. So, guys, MOT Blitz, only 100 people a day. That is it. So I would imagine this is going to be a quick, easy fill up. And get ready, because if you're not going to show up, we're gonna kick your ticket out. If you don't verify your ticket that you're coming, whether it be hotel, flight, or I live within 2-3 hours, you guys will not be there. That is going to be the week of June 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, and it's going to be that week right there. We're coming in hot.
Yeah, it's gonna be a great time, guys. And like I said, it's beautiful Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. So we're about an hour and 15 minutes from O'Hara, about 45 minutes to an hour from Milwaukee Airport. So if you can get into one of those two, then it's an easy drive up here. As Max knows, he's been here. And we got a great 10,000 square foot facility. They got the wonderful shoot no shoot simulation room and all sorts of fun stuff. And so really looking forward to having you guys up here. It's going to be a great time.
I can't wait to see the people for the no shoot room. We should put it. Can you curate the settings and make it harder?
Oh yes,
we should curate it to a decently hard one and see if people can get it through, and winners can get free accounts.
Yeah, I've got law enforcement ones, military ones, all sorts of ones. I get special packages since I was ex-law enforcement back in the day.
Can you change the type of criminal?
Technically, yes, we can. We can actually build our own scenes. So like I was kind of doing that for a local church for unfortunately the terrorism, countering terrorism threats. I just put a whole bunch of people through a class, so I could take like the church and like take a picture of the church. Then I can make bad guys come in and do stuff. So
what did you make the bad guy? The devil?
Well, I guess they would be if they were a bad guy, right? Hey, Coach, how you doing?
Wow.
You got. I thought we're on YouTube. I thought we can. Oh yeah. Hey guys, here we go. There was something missing. I noticed a few weeks ago when I walked in, there was something missing on my doors, and I'm like, oh, that's right. I'm missing these.
The lawful carrying of firearms is welcome in this property. I know that's right, Hoff. I know that's right. Did you see what I just bought, Logan and Lama? I just bought Lama a brand new Honey Badger SBR, and I just bought Logan a brand new HK German fully automatic MP5.
Nice.
In the yellow.
Very nice.
In the mustard yellow, real German, real badass weapon system.
Is Coach still there? Is he hanging out with you there, Lama?
He moved down here. He lives 2 minutes away from me.
Down here, yeah. Yeah.
I thought I saw him in the background over there with the. But is he with you right now?
No, that's just a shadow. That's
that's okay. Well, let him know that.
Okay.
Let him know that he's very much invited to come up for the Blitz, and
of course he's coming. The whole crew's coming.
He's an educator. He has to go.
Yeah, he has to go.
It's a criminal way of hanging around with.
It's going to be me, Lama. We're going to headline the Big Daddy Morning Show. Then your ass is coming out to teach and do a little webinar, I think. And then we're slapping right back into Javi and Logan, and the Power Hour boys are going to go berserk on stage. And then we're going to finish it up with fucking Coach and Izzy on Happy Hour, baby. Or maybe the night before, we're going to have Coach and Izzy going and setting the stage right. So we're coming, the whole MOT crew, we're coming to put on a performance.
All right. Well, hopefully they're, then Coach and Izzy will be able to come out and do some of that shooting with us too. Get them out in the Humvee and the full auto weapons and those Barrett 50 calibers with the suppressors on them and all sorts of fun toys.
Yeah, that's going to be badass. That's going to be.
I know that, right? No, like number 7 in the chat if you got a Bobo.
But
it'll be just to let Coach know he won't have to get in trouble on YouTube anymore. It'll be a buffet of explosions at the Hoffman house.
I love that. I like that. I like the sound of that. To be honest,
explode too.
To be honest, let's go ahead and rate. Let's get another day in there. Let's get another day in there. You got Tanner right?
Oh yeah, lots of. That's why I said it'll be a buffet of explosions.
I love that shit.
Plenty of Tanner right.
Awesome. I love
Yeah.
that.
So
Can and you can go fully auto up there?
yes, yes. I've got plenty of things. I thought when you were here, I played the video for you, the B-roll from like some of the charity events that we host here.
Yeah, you played the B-roll, but they were amateur. They weren't like doing, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get next to Logan and do a little talking guns in the prone for fucking 5 minutes straight, baby. I'm
In the
trying to let it rip.
prone.
I'm trying to get in the prone and do a little talking guns for
You wanna
3
get in the
minutes
prone
straight.
with Logan.
I'm trying to get in the prone on top of Logan.
Right. I'm
Well,
trying to so
okay.
we've been discussing who's gonna be the bipod for us. I'm not gonna continue with that. I don't know why I brought that
Sean.
up. Forget
Sean.
it.
Sean will gladly be out there. Bro, watch, we're all sitting there missing targets, and then Sean just comes out, thuds a little fucking revolver around it. Bing, 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 bing. He just,
Air racks his shit.
yeah, air racks and shit. Who's profitable now, bitches?
Right. Not me.
That's going to be one of the greatest times, guys. I can't stress it enough. Listen, I can't stress this enough. You don't understand the level of fun that we intend to have for these 2 or 3 days that we're going to have over at Lake Geneva. It's going to be the summer of Lake Geneva, guys. It's going to be fucking wonderful. It's only an hour and a half, 2 hours away from Chicago for that giant metropolitan area. So if you're in that area, you guys already got pretty much first dibs. We're going to be shooting. We're going to have fun, education, live training, massive giveaways, massive everything. We're going to be doing just like we did at MOT Live. We're going to be doing it with the Hoff paired with Wealth Charts. The MOT Blitz, guys, Lake Geneva. It is going to be insane. June 16th is my live show. Do not fuck around and not sign up for this. It's only 100 people a day. So that means if you don't get it on Monday, you can get it on Tuesday. If you don't get it on Tuesday, I think Wednesday we're closing out. Is that right, Hoff?
Yeah, I mean, I want to take care of as many family members as we can,
Minimum
but yeah, I
amount.
know that Doc said there's going to be limits. And, you know, we got to get you back home to babies. You know, you
Yeah.
and Mama, everybody's got babies, so got to go ahead and take care of the family. So we'll help you guys as much as the family.
The problem is that puts me in the red zone like 40 days from due date. So I'm like, I'm in fucking, once I get home from there, it's like prep time.
You're on lockdown.
Yeah.
That's
We're on
right.
lockdown. So if you guys want to sign up, just hit up the MOT Blitz, put your information in there. The mod team, staff, Dan, everyone, we're going to be running through all of the people, and we'll start putting asses in seats. VIPs from MOT Live, you guys get first dibs. If any VIP says they want to come from MOT Live and you say you're on en route, you automatically get your seat as part of the perks of being a VIP from our events. VIPs, you will always get first dibs.
Yep. And we're going to take great care. It's going to be a lot of fun up here, guys. And then just one closing thought there. In addition to that link to get signed up for Blitz, make sure you do that right away because that's going to fill up fast. And Max and I got to, and his, the whole photo team and everything else for, there's a whole production team there behind it. So we want to get you guys well taken care of and just know the numbers right up front. And I'm hoping to try to plan some sort of after hours event as well. But it's Lake Geneva in prime time. And it's gorgeous up here that time of year. So a lot of you might want to stay an extra day or two just to enjoy the beautiful lake and everything else. But yeah, don't forget me on the wealthcharts.com/MOT. Please take the time to fill that out for me. So help me, help you. And also for all of you that already love us, let us know why. I appreciate that. And then, see you guys all next week with Max, with Lama, with Javi, on the Wealth 365 Summit. That'll be really awesome to have you guys there with us too. And again, I think I know there's literally hundreds, not 100, hundreds of free account giveaways next week. It's going to be insane because Brett's giving away a bunch. FFS giving away a bunch, Apex is giving away a bunch. It just goes on and on. So it's going to be crazy next week. So join us, learn a lot, and just continue that relationship as part of the family. The more you can learn from us before you get to the Blitz, the better, right? So we just keep that education going for you because obviously these guys got great tools, strategies, and want to see you succeed. And we want to provide you the best platform to help you succeed. So it's like peanut butter and jelly, Hershey's peanut butter, two great sauces coming together to make magic. So I appreciate you, all of you as part of the MOT family. It lets me come in here like last Saturday night. I was working late and I was in here just answering people's questions, helping and stuff like that. Let you guys, let me come in every once in a while to help you guys and answer questions for you. And of course, Max, Lama, appreciate you guys, and really the whole team there. All kidding aside, Hobby and all he did with the mobile coach, Izzy,
Quite
everybody.
crazy on mobile, Rob. Seriously, great job, brother. I
Yeah.
fucking hate mobile apps. I refuse to trade on them anymore unless I'm YOLOing my portfolio on Robinhood, which I blew my account yesterday. But that shit was crazy, brother. Yeah, that was a beautiful looking mobile app, and the DOM with the volume profile mixture was clean, very sexy. It was nice. You guys did good, man.
Thanks. Well, I said, and thanks to Logan, who covered times when we were trying to work with Javi and stuff. Just a great group of guys, and the whole team and Izzy and that. So love you guys. Thanks a lot for having us, and we'll see you next Monday on the show. All of you that come to the
Damn
Wealth
right.
Summit. We'll be giving away a bunch of accounts with Tradeify on that day. I'll be speaking for like a special 2-hour training event, going through all the trades and the trading I did for those trading competitions, because that was brutal. Those were tough market conditions. So it'd be good for you to learn that information. I've got nothing to sell there. You get your accounts here for free with wealth charts when you get one of the props that we have integrated. So I'm not selling you anything. I'm just trying to help you be better, just like Max and Lama and the whole gang. And then so we're giving away a lot of prizes there, and then
Very nice.
Max is going to be there on Tuesday. I think Llama's coming on Wednesday, I believe, and then Hobby is on Friday. So make sure you come check out the guys. Over to you guys.
Fucking legend. Guys, we can't explain how many great things are coming. What Rob's doing for the industry right now on Wealth Charts is back for free with Wealth 365 Summit, updating all the mobile apps, taking in all the feedback that you guys are bringing in. That's why that questionnaire is so important. So really take the time to fill out the questionnaire, because if you like the platform, make the platform even better. That's what helps everybody out in the industry, is making things better for the trader, making it more simplistic. If there's something you'd like or would like to see, speak up, fill out the questionnaire. It takes 5 minutes. Rob will apply that feedback at a pace you've never seen before, unless you were in the bed with your hottest woman you've ever seen. Trust me. So, guys, make sure you tap in and fill that out. It takes 5 minutes and it helps the industry. Remember that, because when you fill out something for Wealth Charts, you're filling it out for Tradeify, Funded Future Family. You're filling it out for fucking Apex. You're filling it out for the props who are going to be benefiting from this information from the ground floor. So do that. And Wealth 365, you can't say it enough, it's the largest online financial summit in the world. Rob has been hosting it for a long time. It gets bigger, and better. And yes, I myself, Lama, and Javi will be there next week presenting. It is going to be a great event, and you learn so much during these online financial conferences where so many people are spitting out free chicken for you guys all day long. Someone's going to say something that resonates with you, and guess what? You have the chance to win a crazy amount of free prizes and discounts throughout the entire week. Don't mix the 365 Summit. Last but not least, the mobile app is sexual. I highly check it out. And if you guys haven't already, get with Javi. Buy Javi's indicator, which is on Wealth Charts. Get with Javi and learn the mobile app and trade the mobile app live with Javi when his sexy ass comes back Sunday. I believe he'll be back Sunday when Javi gets back. Don't fuck around. So check in with Javi. And because that mobile app plus Javi plus Omniprop plus free webinar, you don't even understand. Like, you just don't understand how we're giving you the keys to the castle here. I'm even cooking you fucking dinner when we get in. So make sure you guys lock into that. And last but not least, it's going to fill up quickly. The Big Daddy Max and the Max Options Trading Team, we're doing another live event. And who else to do it with besides the man, the myth, the legend, the Hoff? We are going to be taking over Wealth Charts headquarters on June 15th, June 16th. We are being doing wildly fun and cool shit, massive giveaways, massive entertainment, the Big Daddy Morning Show, the Power Hour Special, the Happy Hour, education by the Hoff, and more. But it is such a limited event due to the availability and size. Make sure you guys sign up. We will see you all there, baby. We love it. Rob, Sean, boys, always a pleasure. Thank you guys so much for coming on the Big Daddy Morning Show and breaking down all of the new features and all these massive releases. I think this is going to be wonderful for the industry. As always, you guys right on par with us. Let's give back as much as we can. You guys are doing amazing things, and we can't wait to see what's coming next.
Nice, brother. Appreciate it. Hey, guys. Love you all. See you in chat.
Send that boy off with a lucky number 7. What the fuck? Send a half off with a lucky number 7, baby. We'll see you guys.
Bye. See ya.
See you, everyone.
Legends. Legend. Can't go wrong with the Huff, guys. Make sure to get in there. Next week, we'll be teaching live completely for free on the Wealth Summit. And then make sure to get on the wait list. Only 100 people, guys. We cannot get more than that in there. I can guarantee you, if you haven't already got on the wait list, you're probably cooked already. Maxie, I got to get up out of here. I need to bounce. Great fucking day today, guys. Told you that retest of orb was key. Blew right
Says
through it. ES
the
a little
event is
funny
sold.
going up. It was beautiful.
Says
30,
the event
150
sold
point
out.
move. I'm gonna get up out of here, boys.
Says the
Max, I'm gonna
event
hit you
sold
later.
out both days. Fucking idiots. I told you.
What?
We love you, Baba. Go ahead.
No, bro.
Dale, bro. Ya tú sabes,
Don't say that to me, bro.
Ya tú sabes, papi. Pero de Adobe, papi. Mami, una Coca-Cola Zero, a hot dog in the pero. Very nice. Yeah, our next live event. We're not doing MOT live. They're not doing the big one again. That was too big, but 100 people, that's fun. That's manageable. It's personable. We can all hang out, have fun, do giveaways, a lot of education, real quick. One or two heads in there, and we're good to go. So that's going to be a good one. Partnering up with Wealth Charts for that, no brainer at all. Let's start the giveaways, baby. Have you ever seen anything so sexy? Is that Dominican Max with a baddie and Lama in the back? Like, hell, that's my boy. That's my boy pulling that bad bitch. You guys might not believe this or not, but back in my day, I'd be pulling dime pieces. You just had to pay a little extra. Let's start the giveaways. What are the YouTube likes at? Ain't no way we just dropped all that. We're only at 200 YouTube likes. Wow. Very disrespectful. So clearly the YouTube isn't getting nothing today. Trash ass YouTube. Disrespectful. I hit the like 332 times. I like that. What new merch? Who said something about merch? We got limited merch drop coming soon. Shit's gonna be insane. We got a fire new merch drop coming soon. It's gonna be insane. Aniki, do me a favor. Aniki, try this. Get rid of the chart. Get rid of the chart and just put me next to the rotating wheel. Just put me over the rotating wheel. Get rid of the chart on the YouTube. We don't even need that shit. Get rid of the chart. We're done trading. Get rid of that. Put the rotating wheel bigger. Does that make sense? Make me bigger. I can't get much bigger. I might die. Have you ever seen anything as sexual as me? Let's what are we dropping today? Some lucids? Lucids? Mods, do we have lucid code? What do we have, mods? Do we have lucids? You guys like lucid trading? Huh? Do you guys like lucid trading? I guess they're pretty sexual. Let me check my coopies. Ooh. You know what we haven't given away in a while? A flex account. We're doing the pro. We give away a flex account. You guys want to start off with a 50K flex? You guys want to start off with a 50K flex, baby? Mods, do we have any residuals? There we go, Anarchy. Now just make me the whole left of the page. Get rid of the bottom box and just make me the whole left. That's what I'm talking about. That's the view for one head. We dropped 30 loot boxes the other day, guys. Wait, I might have some loot boxes. Do I have loot boxes? The vault. You guys want to pop some packs? I gotta ask for those. My chat wants to pop some packs, baby. Let's see if they respond. But right now, we'll give away a 50K flex to a lucky sexual person in the chat. Let's do a random number generator, baby. Let's do a random number generator. We got about 660 in the chat left. And here we go. 60, 2150. Brazilian Llama. Brazilian Llama. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Brazilian Llama. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show, baby.
Wait, I need to flip my camera. Yo,
What's up?
what's good, Max?
Nothing much, bro.
I can't believe I got called up. That's crazy.
Two questions. One, are you Brazilian?
I am. Yeah. That's not a LARP.
That's not a. What is LARP? I hear these kids talking about LARPing. Is that like a cuck?
LARPing is basically like, say I LARP a Lambo. It's like I'm in the Lambo saying it's mine when it's really just like a rental, for example.
So you're just capping. You're capping. You're bullshit.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah,
fake as fuck.
pretty much. Yeah.
Right. It's okay. It's fake, cap, LARPing. These are all the same. Okay. Got that.
Yo.
So you're Brazilian, and why you say you're Brazilian? Llama. Is your name Llama?
It is not. I mean, I just I really like Lama's way of trading, so I kind of incorporated it in my own. So even got the P2P indicator, and yeah, I just made that my username.
I know that's right. That P2P indicator is gas.
Yes, sir.
That P2P indicator is gas, boy. I like that.
Yo, I'm looking at my computer right now. Chat's going. Yo, why is chat calling me Zesty right now?
You kind of look. You kind of got that vibe about you, twin. I don't know what. Maybe it's the camera angle. Change the camera angle.
Maybe it is. I don't know what angle.
Change the camera angle a little bit. There you go. Change the camera angle. You've been kind of doing something like.
My fault. I wasn't trying to.
Yeah. Stop moving your lips like that. All right.
Oh, I'll stop doing that.
Show us the Chad. Show us your serious shit. Lock in. Show us the face.
The face. I don't know what I should do. But...
You look like a Brazilian lesbian Nick.
Right.
So ain't nothing wrong with that. How's your trading going?
If I'm being honest, I mean, I think I'm improving. I think I am, but I did have a TA meeting with coach. I still have I've been struggling a little bit with confidence. I know I have my levels, but I feel like it's been a little bit rough. But on both accounts, I have 2 accounts right now. I am green on both of them, but trying to be consistent. But I don't know. I don't like how much time it's taking me. But
right, bro. Listen, time is irrelevant. Because you know what? Someone on hold on, let me find this shit. Llama Nick just dropped a banger of a line on Llama's page. The shit was actually gas. it was like all you got is time. You know what I'm saying? What did it say? It said when you realize there's something about time on there. Did you guys you know which one I'm talking about, chat? It was never pros and cons of day trading. There might be this one. Pros and cons of day trading. Cons, it takes time to learn. Pros, time's gonna pass anyway.
It is, yeah.
Time's gonna go by anyway. So you might as well learn and enjoy the ride.
It's true.
So there's no race, you know what I mean? It's straight up like it's your pace.
Yeah.
Here's the deal. Do you want a guaranteed 50K flex account right now? Or do you want to gamble and take the chance on popping a pack?
I'll take the 50K. I mean, I'll take the 50K.
Smart. I'm not gonna lie. That's a smart move out of you. That's a smart move out of you. So here's what we do. I'm gonna bless you with a 50K, and then I'm gonna start blessing the chat, and we're gonna pop some packs, baby. We're gonna pop some packs. So
Yes, sir.
listen, lock the fuck in, dog. Like it's not a race. You know what I'm saying? Like you're not a Maxway student, right? You know, you got the PHP. I know Logan be dropping hella sauce that's mine that he takes and steals. It's fine. But so just listen in to him. Fucking do your thing. It's not a race. Let the compound hit shit. Let that shit compound. Base hits. Take it slow. Bro, I bet you start seeing consistency just by doing that. By trading less, I bet you start seeing more consistency.
Yeah. Appreciate that. Yeah, I signed up for the event too. We'll see if I get in, but a couple hours away, like 4 hours. And yeah,
it's worth going because you're gonna get like $200-300 worth of free shit right at the door. And
Hey,
then,
that's just gonna be
during the
epic.
whole
It's gonna be
couple of days,
epic.
you're gonna be getting free shit, and then you're gonna get to see Logan naked. So like,
I mean, chat might like that. Maybe
driving.
Llama too, but I don't know.
I'm driving from Europe. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, that's hella tough.
Hey, Brazilian Llama, we fuck with you. Open a support ticket, my guy, and congratulations. You just won a 50K Lucid Flex.
Appreciate that a lot. Appreciate that, Max. Y'all are
What was
goated.
that?
Huh?
What the fuck did you just call me?
No, Max. I said Max. Sorry.
What the fuck?
Apologize.
You called me Llama Twin?
No, you're better than Llama.
Look at my fucking wrist, dog. You see the definition in that bone? You see the different size structure? Does this look like a giant hairy peen to you?
No, doesn't.
No, you got me tight, boy. Open a support ticket. Sexy ass boy. All right, chat. You want to get real sexual? Because you know Big Daddy Mac. I haven't been alone on the show in a while. I haven't been alone up here in a while. I'm feeling freaky, dog. Y'all want to get freaky? Y'all want to get freaky in this motherfucker, dog? Watch this shit. Watch this shit. Here we go. Discord, get ready. I'm about to get freaky, dog. YouTube, get ready at the same time. I'm about to drop 30 loot boxes. Just random codes in the chat. So if you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. I'm about to just start fucking making it rain loot boxes. All right. And then here's the deal. Here's the deal. Listen closely. Then I'm going to drop y'all some Big Daddy Max loot boxes. Those motherfuckers are what I, como se dice, extra full of loot. So y'all get ready, chat. What you need to do is get ready to get locked in on the loot boxes because them BDM boxes, you know what I'm saying? Don't put your girl around me, true player for real. So here's how it's gonna work, chat. All right, here's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna just say a magic word. No, I'm not. First code's out in the chat. Bam, just like that. Loot box out in the chat. If you get it, you get it. There it is. I'm not gonna say shit. I'm Big Daddy Max. I could do this however I want. You know what I'm saying? It means if it's invalid, I mean someone else got it. Yep. Someone else got it. It's only one time loose. It's only one time use. You see what I'm saying? Look at that, YouTube. There's a loot box out there. We're dropping 30 loot boxes. These equal a 25K flex. You like that? You like that? It's one time use, chat. It's one time use. Someone just grabbed that one up. Shit, I don't even know who. All I know is I fuck with Lucid heavy. I fuck with Lucid real heavy. This loot box shit is like cocaine to me. Use for what? What do you mean use it for what? I dropped another one right there in the chat. What's up? See it. Who's winning? Who's winning? Someone's winning. Someone's getting a bot. Who won already? Sean, you got one? Okay, so somebody got one. Sheesh. Y'all fast, boy. Y'all fast. All right, YouTube. All right, YouTube. I dropped two of them right there. I dropped two on the tube. Let's see how fast you are now. See how fast you are now. Watch this. I'm dropping boxes, baby. I'm dropping boxes. Who's winning? Who's winning? Watch this. I'm going to spread it out. There's three, but you got to scroll for those motherfuckers. I know that's right. You got to scroll for that. Shoot. Yuck got one for real? Let's go, Yucky. Let's go, Yucky. Of course he did, bro. Yuck is fast, bro. Yuck is fast. We're dropping loot boxes, guys. Lucid loot. One-time use. One-time use Lucid loot boxes. All right. All right. This one's got to be strategic. All right. You got to be strategic on this one. This is coming. Here we go. I'm not going to tell you who's getting this one. I'm not going to tell you, but you got to be strategic. You got to be strategic. All right. The reason I'm saying that is because I'm dropping 8 of them. Pick the right one wisely, right? Pick the right one wisely. Maybe if you pick number 3, everyone went for number 3. Hey, you shouldn't be doing that. See, now you had to pick wisely, right? You know what I'm saying? There's 4 of them on the YouTube right there. Bam. There's 4 of them on the YouTube. Better pick wisely. $40% off. Let's go, baby. 40% off. Let's go. Boys dropping loot boxes. The boys dropping looties. This is the greatest loot box drop of all time. Guys, go to your Lucid accounts. Click on the vault. Copy and paste that bitch right to the key as fast as you can. Go to your Lucid account. If you go to your Lucid account in the trader area, you'll see a little left that says vault. Vault. You click on the vault, and right at the top it says enter key. I am dropping keys for y'all. I'm like fucking the cartel twin. I'm dropping keys. Shit, I'm dropping keys. Free 100K Pro from Femi. Femi got 100K Pro. Whoa. Like that. I like that out of you. Good shit, girl. Good shit. 100K Pro, Phoebe? Sheesh. I like that. Bam, there's 5 more. Better strategize. Better strategize. Shit, there's 5 more on YouTube too. There's 5 more on YouTube too. I just dropped 10 more boxes. What's up? What's up? Instagram. We're not on IG. What do you mean drop them on IG? Are we live on Instagram? Bro, you guys are fucking. These boys are fast. These boys are fast. These boys are fast. Yeah, they're working. You guys just don't even know. These autists that are in the chat, they're fast. They're fast. There's another one. There's another one. Boys are quick. One more. There's one more. This shit's real. This shit's real, guys. I know this shit's real. Where is here we go. Latina doll. Come on up here, Latina doll. Well, actually, you know what? Rose is fine ass. Come up here, Rose. You're a very sexual lady. Come up here, mama. Come up here. Latina doll.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Fucking amazing.
What up, daddy?
What up, girl? You got a camera? What's up?
Yeah. Give me 1 second. Here we go. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you guys doing?
Good. I just slid in your DM, shawty.
Awesome.
Go to your
That's what-
Discord DM and tell me what you see right there.
Give me 1 second.
That's a loot box code. You see it?
No, I don't.
In the Discord DM?
I like suck at using this. I'm not gonna lie.
Come on, girl. Are you in my DMs on Insta?
No, I'm not.
Well, then how the fuck can I get this to you privately?
I have no idea. I actually just joined like not even a week ago, to be completely honest. So this
You
is
don't know
all
how to
new.
use the Discord DM? Like you're not seeing
No.
friend invite, you're not seeing a fucking all the red numbers popping up in your Discord DM? You got
No.
are we there? Bueller.
Oh, let's see. No, I don't. I know seriously, Bueller. What the fuck?
All right, right click on my profile name and hit message. Do you see where it says message somewhere at the top? You should. She's on a phone. She should still be
Yeah.
able to message, right?
I am on the phone.
All right, let's bring up another. Let's bring up another Latina.
All right. Well, thank you so much. You've also helped me make like 12 grand last week. And this week
Ooh.
I'm hitting 5 grand. So I want to thank you so much. I've gone through 2 different like coaches in general, and you guys are just fucking fire, period.
You're fucking fire, period. Keep up the great work, though.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Is he trying to fuck me? The fuck was that? Negra. Unmute, mommy. Unmute.
Hello, baby. How are you?
I am wonderful. How are you?
Good, good.
Now, can you
Getting ready for the day. Sorry.
go to your DMs. Go to Discord DMs.
Discord DMs.
Do you see the one by Big Daddy Max? I'm dropping one in the YouTube.
Okay, give me 1 minute, please.
Over 2. Where's my Spanish mommies? Where's Jamie? So this bitch just disconnected. Jesus Christ. Where's my Spanish mommies? Come up here. Julivis. Bad honey, I gave your ass an account yesterday. There we go. Julie Vass, do you know how to work Discord?
Yes.
Do you know how to slide in my DM?
Oh, if you not really. I was trying to find out to go to
You
the
can't,
messages and all of that
you
stuff.
can't see the message I just sent you?
Let me see. Mm,
I'm starting to notice a
oh,
pattern about these Latina women. Starting to notice a pattern about these Latina women. Can you see it?
it's so bad. No, not really.
All right, mama. We're gonna have to try again. Any other Latina women here? We are not doing good right now. We're not doing good right now. You know who? Where's You're right. Where's Margie? Where's Margie fine ass? We need Margie's fine ass. Let's see if Margie's around. There. We got Jamie. Here we got.
What's up, Big Daddy?
Now I'm talking.
What's up? Margie, hey girl.
Hi, sweetheart. Miss you.
Oh, I
Time
like
no
You.
this.
What's up? What's
I
up?
like this. Here's the deal, Margie. I'm in your DM. Did you get these loot boxes?
No, it was too fast.
How about the 2 I just sent you?
Yeah, I just got 2 down.
Dang. Okay.
Mm.
These
I don't know
are
if it's me, Maggie, or what.
those are Big Daddy juice box. Those are juiced up. Let me message Jamie. Let me slide in Jamie's DM real quick. There's 2 more. So those are Big Daddy Max loot
I hear
boxes.
it. I hear it.
So it means they're a little juiced up. Pop one of them things. Is it working?
Yeah. I don't know
What'd
if you
you
hear it in the background.
No, I can't hear it. What'd you get?
Ooh, I got a free 50K direct.
You got a 50K direct?
Direct.
Shit.
Oh, just like that. Straight at it. Awesome. You're the fucking best.
You are more than welcome, girl. You are more than welcome. I've been
So
getting
I
those.
have a friend, right? I'm trying to get her into trading, and I spoke to her about you guys, and she's like, I'd twerk for an account, and I was like, well, let me know when you sign up, cause I'm gonna bring her up here for you, cause I know you missed some booty on the stage.
I like that out of you. We like that out of you, Margie. We like that out of you. I'm gonna drop a couple more right here. Jamie, did they work for you?
I got a 25K flex. Thank you.
Let's go. Those Max boxes, boy, they got a little extra daddy
They're
in them.
good.
They got a little extra daddy in them. What's the second one? Did you
Hold
pop
on, let me see.
Pop that second one.
Get the second one too.
You know I gotta.
I like this ripping lucid packs.
Yeah, it's a little addictive.
Oh shit, the second one didn't work. Hold on, let me see.
Uh-oh.
It worked
Yeah,
for
the
me.
second one didn't work.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, invalid key for B also. But hey, I got one. I'm
Oh,
grateful.
maybe you can only use one at a time.
Maybe. So yeah, I guess that second one you can give it to someone else then.
So why don't you ladies drop that code in the chat? These are max boxes. Those are things are
less.
juicy. Those
Oh,
things
I'm
are
gonna
juicy.
drop mine on YouTube.
Drop yours on YouTube, Mama Jamie. Drop
I'll
one of
do
those.
mine in the Discord.
Do yours in the Discord. Drop them, ladies. The ladies are dropping
First
boxes for y'all.
serve.
These are extra sexual boxes because the one, who it comes from, and two, they got a little extra daddy in them.
Oh fuck.
I'm gonna drop 5 more. That's the last 5 regular ones, right?
Damn.
Guys. Fuck it. Dropping 5 more. Fuck it.
I love it.
I know that's right. You know what's funny? I was trying to get in these girl DMs, and Margie DM'd me and said, "I'm right here, baby." That's called taking initiative. That's called taking initiative. So I tried DMing every one of them. Do you see it? Do you see it? Yeah, shooter's gonna shoot. Margie said, "Latina."
Hey,
I just dropped
listen.
one in the Discord.
So someone just got the Big Daddy Max box. What'd you get? What'd you get in that one?
You miss half the shots you don't take, buddy.
Oh, that's right.
Who got my Discord drop?
Somebody just popped it. Got it, Margie. I got a 25K flex. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Good shit. Good shit, chat. We just dumped a bunch of boxes. I got a bunch more. We'll wait. I think we dumped enough today. I got a bunch more boxes left. I got a bunch of max boxes. A little extra daddy in those. How's everything?
Katie.
50K
Fuck
flex.
yeah, Katie.
Go.
Nice.
50K flex. Let's go, Katie. I want one, Big Daddy. Crispy 24. Are you a dude? I thought Crispy 214 was a dude.
I
Are
thought
you?
so. Did they just change their profile picture to
100%.
called up?
Yeah, I'm like 99% sure that's a guy who just put a hot chick.
Damn. Y'all be clocking my stuff.
Is that Margie's photo?
Thankfully, it's not a fucking dildo in the background. Like, Lord
Thank you.
Jesus.
What?
Oh, the sweat thingy? Y'all thought that was something else?
No, girl, they just want you to stand up and show that ass. They want you to grab anything from the dresser. Grab anything. Do anything at all.
I got sweatpants on. I mean, not sweatpants. I got leggings on today.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, baby.
I mean, did you throw the hat on to make it extra Latina or what? Like,
no, sometimes I just wear it when I'm trading.
That's fucking gay, dude. That's fucking gay.
Well, I live in Texas, baby. You know what I mean?
All right. I mean, I respect the hustle. You know what?
I'm trying.
You. I respect the hustle. I'm gonna drop you an extra sexual max box right now. Here we go. Hold on. I'm gonna slide in your DMs right now, Crispy. It's really weird to see the picture of this hot chick.
Hey, the hot chicks. At least.
Did you get my DM? Did you get my
I got
DM?
you. I think so. Yes, sir.
Pop that box. Tell me what you get. Pop that
got
thing.
it,
Tell me what you
it.
get. Y'all, they made Margie a cute little cartoon. Look at that.
Dude, that looks
That's
crazy.
fire. That's fire.
I look a little bit geeked
All right, here
out.
we go.
I hate when Jamie has clothes on.
I know. You know, I always have to run and put something on.
So I feel like we can catch her off guard one day, chat. What'd you get,
But
baby?
I'm staying out here. I'm staying out here in the beach, so no need.
I know that's right. Come on, Crispy, talk to us, baby. What is it?
It says initializing dopamine delivery.
Get that dopamine, baby. Fill it up. Fill it up.
Come on.
Oh, damn, boy, you got slow internet?
No, hell no. This shit's fast. Should I reload it?
Click the button.
Click the button. It should say like open box or maximize
Oh, okay,
dopamine.
I didn't know that.
You
Here
didn't
we
open
go.
it. Dumbass cowboy. The 100K direct is the chase hit.
Free 25K flex.
Okay,
Appreciate you,
baby.
brother.
Nice.
Another 25K flex. Huge.
Thank you, man.
Huge. Let's
Thank you,
go.
bro.
All right, we're gonna do one more. I'm gonna do one more actually. I'm gonna bless
Peace
my
out, guys.
girl.
Peace out.
We'll see you, baby. We'll see you.
All right, much love.
Let me see if this autist is here.
No,
There she is. There she is.
Hey.
First of
that's
all,
my
if
girl.
I got a code already, can I use another one or
We are maxing. We are fucking dopamine maxing the Big Daddy Max way. Let's go. Moni, pop that box. I just sent you in the DM.
all
Pop
right,
that
let
shit.
me see. First of all, Max DM me, okay.
Your forehead is
I'm
looking
meeting
big.
Monique soon, by the
Oh
way.
my gosh, relax, Max, relax. It's not letting me do it. I think you can only use one at a time, like one a day or something. Cause I had got one from the chat. I got a 40% off.
Oh, you going from the chat?
Yeah. They gave me a 40% off. First of all, they out of pocket to put 40% in that jam.
I deleted your code, Shawty. You pissed me off.
I said that before you sent it.
Nah, you pissed me off.
It's cool.
She had the Twitter
You
fingers.
still love me though.
I know
You
that's
still love
right.
me though.
I know that. I'm sorry. Llama's not up,
Oh dang.
but we'll get it next time, girl. We'll get it next time. Travis on Twitter.
Yeah.
Crazy.
You're out of
Goodbye.
pocket.
Goodbye. That was good. That was good. Who's that?
I get to go too, right?
We tried to open you a second one. Too gorgeous. I have to nerf you. Jesus. Damn. Y'all did dirty. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Congratulations. We just gave so many winners. So many winners. So many sexual ladies. It's like the best thing on earth, honestly. Is there anything more fun than trading, making bread, having fun, and fine bitches? Like, I don't know on earth if anyone on earth can remotely come close to how amazing that is. Telling you.
All the
telling you.
best things in life.
It's literally the best things in life. Violence. Okay, Logan. Violence.
Traps.
Guys, great show today. Great show today. We had a lot of fun. Easy hit. Called out a monster 100-point short. I hope you all caught a piece of some of the fun, some of the action, some of the giveaways, some of the whatever. Another amazing show on Thursday. We're going to get out of here trading wheels in a half hour. So remember, nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. We're filming the Big Daddy Morning Show, the greatest fucking morning show in the world for entertainment purposes only, presented by Max Options Trading Network. And remember, if you want to tap into Pay to Play University and become a sexual killer like Margie, you absolutely can. Make sure you guys tap into Pay to Play University. If you want to learn the Max way is the only way, and be as sexual as Jamie, you can tap into the Maxtermind. If you want all the sauce, you can get Futures One. Remember, guys, a lot of things coming out. One, Javi's webinar. Sign up for Javi's webinar. It is next Monday. It is going to be sponsored. It's going to be fun. It's going to be huge, and a lot of giveaways, a lot of knowledge. The Quantum King is coming back strong, baby. Check out all the indicators. Check out all the courses. If you want to figure it out, you're one coaching session away. Book a coaching session with one of the great coaches we have so you could tap the fuck in and figure it out and start being profitable. Trading wheels in 30 minutes, followed by the power hour and the last night of the week for the happy hour. So don't miss that. And we have so many great shows and things planned for you guys. Yes, we are going to Lake Geneva, Chicago, June 15th, 16th. We will be there. Do not miss out on the Blitz, baby. MOT Blitz. You will come see all your shows live, entertainment, education. You guys know what we do. Massive giveaways and more all day, every day. So keep up the good work. And really, that's it. Tip the staff. Tip the staff, guys. Thank you for all the donations already. A lot of donations came in. Make sure you guys tip the staff. They work completely off of tips from the YouTube and from the coffee. Buy them a cup of coffee. They work completely off of that. And as always, if you're going to buy a prop, why not use code BDM with our trusted partners? BDM for the best deal. Always use code BDM, baby. You guys are fucking killers. Keep on killing. We have so much more fun and great things in store for you guys as well. Margie, would you like to say anything to sign off?
You're the fucking best. No one does it better than you. Love
I know
you.
that's right. I know that's right. Fine ass off my thing. Mama Jamie,
What's up, babe?
any
You
last
guys
words, girl?
lock in. Thank you for the drop. I fucking love Lucid. I've been fucking with those guys heavy. I love their boxes. You never know what you're gonna get. Lock in. I'll see you guys. Miss you.
Miss you and love you long time. 2 sexual women right there. Badass female traders. We love them. We love them. Why is Molly's mom not showing up as a VIP? Why was that taken down? That was weird. I had to hook my girl back up. Margie's Puerto Rican, Bobby. Max, please accept my apology from yesterday. What the fuck is this guy talking about? See you later. That's more like it. That's more like it. There you go, Ray. That's what I'm talking about. That's more like it. Like that out of you. I love you guys. Great show today. We appreciate all your support. Hit the socials. Let everybody know. No one's doing it bigger or better than the fucking Big Daddy Max and the Big Daddy Morning Show and the goddamn Max Options Trading Network. And we will continue to do everything we can for you guys for free and give back as much as we can, because if you fuck with us, we fuck with you, baby. We love you. I'm out. Anarchy, kick fire on them hoes. Trading Wheels starts in 28 minutes. Let's go.
Coffee steaming the green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Reaching price levels, lighting up the channel. First 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's shorting on sight. Let's go.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
Holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo.
Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone,
He's all in with a grin.
if it cracks that floor,
He's dancing out again. Step out. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
gospel in the game.
Holiday, holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo. Candles talk. What they saying? They say trend strong. Y'all keep praying. Which shout? What they showing? They show turnarounds. Time to get going. Red to green, congregation stand. Green to red, they clap their hands. Even in a loss, they sing that song. Right edge, right wrist, we'll be strong. It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
In the game on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet.
Yo!
Big Daddy Morning Show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet.